It was the British intruder who broke up the Indian handloom and destroyed spinning wheel. England began with depriving Indian cottons from European market. It then introduced twist into Hindustan and in the end inundated the very mother country of cotton with cottons. This subdued behavior of British caused resentment among Indians and resulted into rebellion. This is the quote from Karl Marx. With this quote, he is showing a sharp analysis of injustice and oppression caused by colonial policies, which led to 1857 revolt. By mid-19th century, export of cotton and silk textile from India came to an end. British imposed high tariff duties on Indian-made goods. At the same time, import of British goods into India attracted low tariff. Zamindars and talukdars were unable to work, ashamed to beg, and condemned to penury. The right of succession was denied to Hindu princes. The company used policies like effective control, subsidiary alliance, and doctrine of lapse, which created mistrust among all ruling princes in India. There was corrupt governance and racial discrimination towards Indians. The Indian sepoy was equally unhappy with his emoluments as compared to his British counterparts. The more immediate cause of sepoys' dissatisfaction was the order that they would not be given the Foreign Service Allowance bhatta when serving in Sindh or Punjab. The simmering discontent of sepoys, zamindars, peasants, artisans, traders, pandits, Maulvis burst in the form of a violent storm in 1857, which shook the British Empire in India and its very foundations.